Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make a GoPro mount that will attach to the tie down of your plane. This is one that I built. I saw one online that looked pretty cool, but then I saw how much it costs and I was like, I don't want to spend that much. I can make one on my own, so I did, and it works. So that's what I'm going to be showing you guys today. First off, got to go to Lowe's and show you what parts you got to get. Step one is to get all the little washers and bolts and stuff for the bracket. Okay, so the second step is to get the metal to make the actual bracket piece. So I'm actually going to get a piece of aluminum here. Okay, so this is like the metal selection here at Lowe's. And I found the one that I want, and it's going to be it's this one right here. It's only $4.28, so that's super cheap. I'm going to cut it to length and it'll be good. Okay, now to actually make the bracket, I drilled 2 1/4-inch holes in a piece of aluminum. I did bend that piece of aluminum, cut it, and then what I ended up doing is smoothing out just where I cut it. The last thing that you do have to do is drill a small little hole through the bolt of the cam clamp bolt so that the pin can actually go in there. Alright, so this is everything you need to build the mount. Cam clamp, 2 medium-sized washers, 2 larger washers, 2 large rubber washers, 1 small rubber washer, a small 1/4-inch bolt, 1/2 inch in length, as well as a 1/4-inch lock nut. And then we have a pin, a finger nut that's a 1/4-inch, the GoPro tripod mount with a 1/4-inch tripod hole, and then a piece of aluminum which I just bent into an L bracket with 2 1/4-inch holes that I drilled into it. That's it. That's all the pieces that you need. Okay, assembly is pretty straightforward. I'm going to take this all the way out. Take off the washers off that, and then put the bolt back in. So I just want the end in there. All right, so you have the bolt, and you're gonna go like this: bolt, washer, rubber washer, and then small washer. These actually came with the clamp itself. So you're gonna go like that. You're gonna take your aluminum bracket with a 1/4-inch hole, and then slide it on like that. Okay, good. And then what I like to do is I go small washer, big washer, and that just gives it additional support. Small washer, big washer, big rubber washer, and then this is where the actual tie down will go, in between the 2 rubber washers, so you're not going to scratch the metal or anything. Plus it absorbs the vibration. So the second big one, big washer, smaller washer, and then you'll end up putting the finger nut on here like that. All right, and then you'll just tighten it down to what you need, and then you can use the clamp to obviously clamp it. This is the safety pin you put in here through the hole. There we go. So now you have the safety pin, so if stuff does rattle and it becomes loose, it's not going to actually come out. And then down here for the GoPro part, what we do is you just take the little bolt, put the lock nut washer on here, put it through. Good. And then I go rubber washer like that, and then the GoPro mount. Okay, you kind of just cinch that in there, and it will tighten it with the lock nut washer. And there we have it. That's basically it. Voila! And that right there, my friends, is an assembled mount ready to go for the tie down. Okay, so this is what the tie down mount looks like when it's actually installed on the plane. This is right on the strut here of the wing, and right there I just put the tie down in between the 2 washers, and the pin's in there, so if this does get loose, it's not going anywhere. And you got the release back here, so you can loosen it, you know, just pulling that up, tighten it, keep it down. And then the tripod, I did put a little short arm there, so you can kind of give it a little bit more, you know, rotation instead of just single, so that way you can get it at a better angle. But that right there, my friends, is the GoPro Tie Down Mount do-it-yourself version. Enjoy.